Hello children, let's learn some good manners. When you wake up in the morning, you have to wish good morning. After that, you have to brush your teeth for healthy teeth. You should take bath every day to make yourself clean and healthy. After taking bath, you should pray to God for everything He has given to us. You should go to bed early and wake up early so that you can be fit and fine. You should always say hello, namaste or Sat Shri Akal when you meet someone. You should never fight with your parents for anything. You should always say, please mama, I want this. Please papa, I want this. You should never fight with them. Always say sorry when you hurt someone. It's one of the very good habit that we should follow in our life. Always say thank you when you receive some gift from your parents, friends, elders or anybody in the family. You should always say thank you to them. After receiving gift, you have to tell that person welcome also if it's required. You should always be kind with animals. You should not hurt them. In these summer days, you have to put water for them on the terrace so that they can drink water whenever some birds come there. You should always knock the door before you enter anyone's room at home or at any other place. This is one of the very good habit. You should ask by knocking, may I come in? You should always keep your house clean. Clean house is very good for your health also, and it gives you a beautiful scene also. You should treat old people with care, like dadu, dadi, nanu, nani. You should take care of them in a proper way and provide them everything. You should always obey your elders, brothers, sisters, mom, dad, everyone elder than you. You should always listen to them properly. You should always share things with your brother, sister, your friends. It's very good habit for every one of you. You should always give smile to everyone. Never meet anyone with a sad face. Always greet and meet everyone with a smiling face. You should not waste the things at the home because things are very important. You should preserve them and use them wisely. Before going bed at night, you should say good night to all the family members of your family, and then you have to go back to bed. Bye bye all of you. Hope you understood all.